The first mortar that we come across is the 4.2-inch heavy mortar. It was received with material imported from the United States to provide the special group with a weapon with a greater capacity for support fires. It came to live with the Otto Melara 105 mm howitzers of the 1st Battery of the Heavy Arms Battalion. The tube is scratched. Its range was 5,400 meters. Below are the mortars that have been in service since the early 20th century. The oldest ones correspond to the Valero system, manufactured by the national company Esperanza y Compañía. Of this system, a 50 mm system is shown, the oldest that is preserved and that was used by a single man, and an 81 mm whose staff was 6 men. Both mortars were used in the Civil War and the latter also in the Special Group. These mortars were replaced in the 1950s by 60 and 81 mm mortars, also manufactured by the same company. These weapons are currently in service in the landing battalions. On a double mount are exposed a 60 mm breech-loading mortar and a 7.62 mm caliber medium machine gun that belonged to the PAHARDAML-60 vehicle turret. After the mortars, the machine guns that have been in service since the early 20th century are on display. The oldest is the Hotchkiss machine gun, air-cooled and carried by mule. It was used for the first time in Africa, and with special mounts it was used as an anti-aircraft weapon. You can also see the Maxim machine gun on a cart. This machine gun was not regulated in the Corps and was used by the Republican side during the Civil War. The Alpha Model 44 machine gun replaced the Hotchkiss machine gun and was used until the MG3A1 machine gun entered service in 1958. The FAO light machine gun rifle and the Ameli, used by a single combatant to give greater volume of fire to the rifle companies, are on display. On supports are exposed the coaxial machine gun of the M48 battle tank and that of the amphibious assault vehicle LVT-4. Both of 7.62 mm caliber. Next to the machine gun platform, at the foot of the column, the M2A1 flamethrower, a model of American origin, is exposed, together with the compressor used to load the compressed air bottle. It could use napalm or gasoline and diesel.